Hello sa 4 viewers and 6. Nagla-live lang tayo dito, guys. Shout out to Tita Marie. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Where are the viewers? Ate Orang, grabe Ate Orang, ha? Nag-upload pa talaga si Ate Orang kahit ganitong oras, 11:22 may upload. Naka-notify talaga sa akin. Ate, naka-notify talaga sa akin yung upload. Nakita ko, ate. Hello, Lucy. Thank you so much. Lucy, thank you. Thank you, Lucy. Warren's World. Thank you so much. Talno is not here. Already, I know. Lucy and only Lucy here. Talaga lang, ha? Are we okay? And are we best friend? Be best friend again? Ati, my best. Yeah, of course. We are friends. We are friends, Sam. And I'm your ate. Forever. I am your ate, Sam. Ate means older sister, like that. At even you're not older sister, but you're older than her, or she is older than you call it ate here in the Philippines. But in your country, US, I think you call the name, right? Like first name basis, you call the real name. Like if I think even the person is older than you call her or him the name lang. Yeah, right? Ang hirap mag-English. Ako'y nahihirapan mag-English. Oy. Hello sa 5 viewers and 6. Ate, please respond to my text to you. Where? At are we okay and are we best friend? Be best friends again, ate, my best. Yeah, of course. We are best friend. We are friend. You are, I'm your ate forever. Four viewers and 6 likes. Thank you so much. Taga lang umalis, oh. Ang galing naman mag-English ni Sis Inday, sana. Oh. Ate, wag mo talaga akong i-dribble-dribble, ha? Andyan ka na naman, nandidribble ka na naman. Ang daming lamok. Ate, nandidribble ka na naman, ha? Yes, you're my oldest sister. Yeah. Because I am really older than you, Sam. Ate, Sam is my best friend. Now. Ayay. And si Romel is here earlier, Ate Orang, and I think he left already because I don't sing. O nga sis, ako di ko yan masasagot. Talaga, ate. Huwag kang magsarot-sarot, ate Orang. Galing mo nga mag-English eh. Sarutin mo pa ako. Ang galing mo nga mag-English. You are fluent in English, diba, ate?